Okay, happy new year, happy new year. Yes, everyone, very good morning and happy new year. Thank you all. Right. Okay, guys. And now we are going to discuss the remaining examples on size of operator. Last class we are discussing about size of operator, no? Yes. Now we are discussing the remaining examples on size of operator. Okay. I have given any homework? No, no. Right. First, common header files, st.h, conio.h, main function. Later, now first example is this one, guys. Everyone take a look on this. Suppose I'm going to write a program like this. Printf %d /n, comma, size of a. Okay. Yes. Happy New Year. Shraddha. Yes. Happy New Year. Thank you. Same to you. Good morning. Yes. Now see this, guys. Float a equal to 1.2. Now get ch program close. Okay. Right. Happy New Year. Happy. Okay. Right. And that's why she repeated 2 times. Right. Right. Okay. सतीश कुमार एक ही टॉपिक 2 टाइम लिख रहा है. मस्त एंजॉय किया क्या नाइट? फुल लगा दिया. एक फुल. सतीश कुमार 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 2 टाइम्स. हर एक दिन 2 टाइम्स लिख रहा है सतीश कुमार. मस्ती मजा. Right. Okay, guys. And now watch it. Actually, A is what type, guys? And float take how many bytes? 4 bytes. Very good. That's why this program is going to give answer 4 bytes. See that, guys? No, answer 4 bytes. Because of we are discussing size of na. Actually, size of gives what? Number of bytes. Number of byte means always integer na. An integer represented with percentage. D or not? That's the answer 4 bytes. Okay, fine. And now see this, guys. Interesting thing. Suppose I'm going to enter like this. This time size of same 1.2. Tell me, guys, 1.2. Come on, guys. Floater? Yes, float. Again, float take how many bytes? 4 bytes or not? Yes, 100% wrong answer. Answer 8 bytes. It is the interesting thing. See that? Okay. See this. Here 1.2, it is showing 4 bytes. Same 1.2, but it is taking 8. Why? Because now listen. Everybody listen carefully. It is one of the important thing in programming. Okay. Tell me, guys, here A declared as a what? Float, no? There is a clear clarity. A is float. And float takes generally how many bytes? That's why answer 4 bytes. But here 1.2 declared as a float. 1.2 declared as a float anyway. No. Then what happened means, listen, one of the important rule. If it is a decimal number without data type, automatically the compiler converts into long float, which is nothing but double. Long float is nothing but double. And double take how many bytes? 8 bytes. Remember that. When you are declaring as a float, then only it takes 4. Suppose you are not declaring as a float, automatically the system converts into long float, which is called double. Yesterday I said that 32,768. How many bytes? Anybody? Yesterday our program, listen first. 32,768. Actually, it have taken 4 bytes. Actually, it have taken. But actually, what type it is? Unsigned integer. But actually, it have to take. But it have taken. Why? Because it is converted into long integer, I said. Same to same problem. Now it is not a float. Long float. And long float 4 or 8? 8 bytes. That's why this program is taking 8. Now I'm going to clearly write this. Okay. The default decimal number is, okay, listen everybody. The default decimal number is always what, guys? Which is also called, that's why how many bytes? Now there is a clarity. The default decimal number means point value. When you are declaring a decimal number without data type, automatically it is converted into long float, and long float is nothing but double. That's why double takes 8 bytes memory. I think very clear, right? And now how to solve this issue? Very simple. Yesterday I said that put f. When f is added, it is converted into float or not. And obviously float take how many bytes? 4 bytes. See that, guys? Now clarity is there. Next. Now tell me anybody maybe answer. 1.2 L. Come on, guys. 1.2 L I am going to enter. Now maybe the answer is what? 8 or 4? Anybody? Answer 4 or 8? Online students, you are also participate. Okay, you have to participate. Now answer is what, guys? 8 or 4? Yes, 100% wrong answer. Answer is 10. Answer is 10 because of it is a long double. Now it is considered to be long. Logic simple, man. Okay. When L is not there, what it is? When L is not there, what it is? Already long float. What, guys? Previous example kya hai? Huh? 1.2 is taking how many bytes? 8 bytes I said clearly. Why? Because 8 bytes. Why? Because 8 bytes. Long float already. Now I am adding another L or not. Means long float. Long float is called long double. And long double takes 10 bytes or not? Yes. That's why your answer is 10 bytes. Now there is a clarity. Now here the meaning is long double. And now you can use capital L also. There is no problem at all. See that? Again, how many bytes? Now small l or capital L meaning is what? Long double. I think everybody clear? Everyone, this point is clear? Right. Next watch it. This time I'm going to write like this. Okay. For example, percentage. Okay, Mahesh Chaudhary, which compiler you are using? It is the important, not OS. Okay, Mr. Mahesh Chaudhary. It is the problem. Not, okay, not the x64. Okay. When you are using other compilers, I said very clearly that. Okay, 32-bit compiler. 32-bit means what? 16. Okay, that's all. Now watch it, guys. This time I'm going to give like this. 1.2 percentage U. Anybody? Anybody? You mean what? You mean? Then answer क्या है? Answer. 2 bytes or not? एक बार जतन से देखो. जतन से देख के बोल. 2 ना error? Huh? Why? Because 1.2 coming in unsigned range. Tell me first thing. 1.2 floating type, unsigned type. 1.2 basically floating type, unsigned type. Floating type. Now you are converting floating to unsigned. When you are putting U after the value, it is request force. Yesterday very clearly I said. Very clearly I said that point. When you are using the type conversion after the value, it is request force. Now the request failed. Why? Because means it is not a unsigned value. No? Then how to convert? Simple. Put problem solved or U or what it may be. Now tell me 1.2 converted into integer. Now it takes how many bytes? See that problem solved or not? Now tell me, it is force or request or? Force or not? Yes. Got it now? Yes. That's why your answer is like this. Now tell me guys, answer. Come on. 4 bytes or not? Yes. Because of 12 converted into float. That's why it is taking 4. Now tell me guys, this one working or not working? For example, I'm going to put like this. 12F. I am putting 12F. Actually 12 is what? Actually 12 is what? Okay. 1 minute, watch it. Actually 12 is an integer now. See that 2 bytes are not. Last answer 2 bytes. Now I am adding F. F meaning is what? Float. Now it works or not? Anybody? Anybody? It is working or not working? 100% working. Huh? Working or not working? See that? Working or not? Warning को छोड़ दो. Warning को कोई problem है? Warning is stopping the execution. Warning means just caution. Warning is just caution. And warnings never going to stop the process. Error is there or not there? Then watch it. Answer how many bytes? Converted or not? Okay. At least give me some clarity. Actually, integer meaning is what? At least meaning tell me enough. Integer mean? Non. Non-decimal number. Float meaning? मार डालूंगा जतन से बोलो. My God. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. एक एक को January 1st death day करूंगा. Logic very simple, man. Float, already have given an example. Float height equal to 6. Allowed or not allowed? Allowed or not allowed? Allowed. It is converted into 6.000. Already discussed example. It is converted into 6.00. But actually 6 is what? Integer. But height is what? Height is what? Float. Na. That's why integer converted into. Anybody tell me the meaning? Anybody in this class? Both online and offline. What it is called? Anybody? I have given one name for this. Huh? Implicit typecasting. What guys? एक बार पढ़ो class होने के बाद. Everybody watch the notes guys. Only listening you can't. Only listening you can't. You are never going to perfect. Understood? Practice. Practice. It is what I am saying. It is called implicit typecasting because of here given value is integer but height is float. Due to that automatically integer converted into float type. I said that it is called implicit typecasting. And when you are using like this, it is called what? Explicit typecasting. What guys? Huh? It is called implicit now. It is explicit guys. We are forcing. Now tell me guys, 12. Actually 12. Can you store in float? What guys? Huh? Because of float means both integer plus. Okay. और एक बार याद करूंगा. Okay. Integer. I said it is a idli token. Float. Remember that. Idli plus. Those are not. Yes. Now tell me guys, with integer token or idli token, what we can get? Only idli I said no. But with those token. With those token. Idli or. Now in my example, idli is what? Integer I said no. Dosa is what? Float I said no. Then possible or not possible? Yes. That's why working guys. Okay. And now 12F. Now the 12 converted into floating value. That's why your answer is what? Again 4 bytes. It is how this, okay, how these examples are working. I think everyone clear now? Right. Now this one is the program and this one is the output of this program, guys. And now tell me, maybe this time answer. For example, character, suppose ch equal to some x. Now size of ch. Answer is what? 1 byte. Very good. Now it is going to take only 1 byte because of x is a character. X is a. And each character take how many bytes? Only 1 byte. See that first answer. 1 byte or not? Yes. Next. Now tell me, guys, maybe this time answer. Suppose same x in double quotation. Answer same to same or any change? Come on. Answer same to same, huh? Anything else? Huh? Yes. 100% wrong answer. Answer 2. Answer 2. Because of when double quotations are there, it is a string. And every string last character, null character added. Discuss the topics, guys. All these are basics. Okay, interview questions. Every string last letter is what? Null character, na? Every string last character, null character. That's why X one character and null character one character. Totally 2 characters, na? See that? Answer 2 bytes or not? Second answer. There is a clarity. Suppose still you are having doubt. Now see this third one. I am giving XY. In XY, how many character? 2 or not? Plus null character. 3 or not? See that? Now there is a clarity at least. Everybody. Next. Now tell me, guys. Maybe this time answer 1.2. 1.23. This time maybe answer. Yes. Answer. Come on, make it fast, everyone. Okay. Answer 5. Answer 5 bytes. Because of 1 byte, 0.1 byte, 2 1 byte, 3 1 byte, null character. Because of double quotations are there now, guys. When double quotation is there, what I said? When double quotation is there, what I said? String or not? Now tell me, 1.23 is a floater string. Double quotations are there, man. Okay, at least tell me, string ka meaning anybody? String meaning. Alphanumeric. I say, Aito, you can't crack the interviews. I'm damn sure I'm saying. I say, Aito, you can't. Huh? We have discussed it or not at least. String means what I said. Alpha means in a string you can store alphabets, numbers, special characters also I said, no? Say yes or no. Okay, I'm going to remember you. What is the example I have given also? Hyderabad 16. Remember that? HYD is what? I know that. Goa. HYD means Goa. HYD means Hyderabad. Bolo, HYD is what? Alphabets are not. 16 क्या है? 16 is what? Numbers. Hyphen is what? Special. Character or not? Then it is alpha. That means string is. Means in a string you can store everything. In a string you can store everything or not? Now bolo 1.23. 1.23 what? 1.23 floater stringa. Floater stringa means each character take 1 byte. How many are there including point? 4 plus null character. Then how many bytes? At least reason understood. Now the reason understood. That's why it is taking 5 bytes. Okay, at least tell me this time. Suppose I am going to declare string 1 of 10 equal to Hyderabad, comma string 2 equal to again Hyderabad. Now string 1 size and string 2 size. Now tell me answer maybe. S1 and S2 size. String 1, string 2 size is what? Yes. Easy to guess. 4? Yes, 100% wrong. 10 and 4. Okay. Because of size mentioned na guys. Here very clearly I have mentioned the size na means 10 bytes. Bracket 10 indicates what? 10 characters. Each character 1 byte. Then how many character? 10 na. But here size mentioned or not? Not. But how many characters? 3 character. 3 plus 1. 4 or not? See that correct or not? Okay. Everybody just take a look on this. Okay. S1, S2. See that I have conducted any mistake. Oh, sorry. Last character. Hyderabad 16. Now watch it. How many bytes, guys? 10 and 10 and there is a clarity. At least now everybody getting the clarity. Right. Okay. Now tell me, guys, maybe the answer. Suppose I am going to give like this. ABCD or ABC plus 1. Anybody? Huh? Answer 5. Because of ABC, 3 letters. ABC 3, 1 null character added. Then 4. 4 plus 1. That's all. Your answer 5 bytes. Clear now? Everybody, there is a clarity now? Right. And now tell me, guys, this time I'm going to enter like this. Printf size of size of. Now guess it. Size of size of. Yes, 7. Answer 7 because of right now size of in double quotation. When double quotation guaranteed it is a string and in size of how many characters? 6 plus 1 null character. 7 or not? See that? Answer is, I think very clear. Everybody? Okay. Now tell me guys, maybe this time answer. 1 plus 2. 4. This time answer is what? Answer? Yes, very good. Again 4. Because of in a double quotation they are. When double quotation is there, immediately think it is a string. When double quotations are there, immediately it is a string. See that? Again answer. Is it clear? And now tell me then. Yes, anybody? Answer? 2. Answer 2. Because of integer. Answer is integer now. Okay, at least tell me 1 plus 2 answer. 3. 3 is a integer now. And integer take how many bytes? Clarity is there? Everybody, there is a clarity is there? And now guess it. 1 plus 2.5. Anybody? 1 plus 2.5. 8 bytes. Mardalunga or Ekbar. Huh? Today we have discussed the default float is double. Kya is, huh? Just today we have started that example. 1.2 is taken as long float. Today's starting topic is that one. 1.2 is a double. Double required how many bytes? 8 bytes or not? Now clarity is there. That's why it is taking how many bytes? 8 bytes or not? Okay. Now tell me, maybe this time. Suppose 2.5 plus 1. Again 8 bytes. See that? Again 8 bytes or not? Got it? Everybody, there is a clarity? Okay. Now, finally this one. Anybody tell me? Printf size of suppose A. Size of A. At least tell me, A is what? String? It is a string or character, guys? Character take how many bytes? 1 byte. Yes, 100% wrong answer. 2 bytes. Okay, listen. Okay, when you are working in other compilers, guaranteed 1. But Turbo C, 2. See that correct or not? Last answer. Why? Why? Listen, carefully listen. Here, okay, A taken as 97, which is integer. That's why it is a problem in C compiler. Okay, when you are putting single quotation A, internally the size of operator takes A as key value, and A as key value 90, and 97 is integer now, and integer take how many bytes? 2 bytes or not? That's why your answer is 2 bytes. But in Turbo C++, Java, .NET, wherever you go, online compiler, any compiler, GCC compiler, 1 byte. Because of in other compilers, C is a character only. C is a, okay? Why? Because also you have to know, it's already there, but nobody observing that. First example, size of CH. 1 byte, already I have given. Nobody observing that. Huh? Size of CH, what did you have given? एक बार देखो. Starting value 1. Yes or no? Tell me X how many character? And E also how many? But X declared as a character or not? X declared as a character, guys. That's why character takes. But here A declared as a character. That means it is converted into integer or not? That's why it is taking how many bytes? 2 bytes or not? Okay. And now see this. This time anybody gets it? This time. Any warning or error? Now run the answer. Now there is a clarity. Now there is a clarity. Last example, A is converted into. Last example, A converted into character or not? Say yes or no. That's all. That's why your answer is going to be like this. I think everyone clear? Like this program is working, guys. And again, can I say it is typecasting? Right. Okay, guys. Now watch it. This time I'm giving one more important example. Okay. Now everybody just watch it carefully and give me the right answers. Okay. And now for example, I'm going to give one example like this. INT A equal to, okay, 10, guys. Okay. INT A value 10. Okay, direct answer otherwise. Tell me at least this one may be the answer. Size of 1.2. Anybody? Watch it carefully and give me the right answer. Come on, make it fast. Maybe this time answer. Answer 2 bytes. Answer is 2 bytes. See that? Answer is only 2 bytes. But how? Okay? Listen. Everybody listen carefully. Easy this one. Okay? Easy to understand. See that. Size of okay, 1 point. Okay, guys, listen carefully. Listen. Easy to understand. Now, size of 1.2, actually 8. Am I right? Why? Because it is a long float or double. Am I right? It is treated as a double, and double take how many bytes? 8 bytes. And now, how this example working? Now this example working like this. Again, size of 8. Now 8 is integer na guys. Then integer take how many bytes guys? 2 bytes or not? I think now there is a clarity. That's why here answer is 2 bytes. I think everyone understood how this example working. Everyone understood because of first inner size of is working. Okay, inner one is working, and first 1.2. 1.2 is a double, and double take how many bytes? Now answer is 8. Now this size of is working. Size of 8 equal to nothing but integer. 8 is integer. That's why integer takes. That's why your answer is 2 bytes. I think very clear. Very good. Now tell me guys, maybe this time. Now I am giving like this. Okay, int a equal to suppose 999. And later I am giving the example like this. Size of a plus plus. Anybody? Okay. Otherwise 32,767. Size of plus plus a. Okay, at least tell me plus plus a means. Now 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me finish. And now tell me guys, size of plus plus a. Why? Because unsigned 2 na. Answer. Anybody? Here a value tell me at least guys. What I have entered a value? 32,767 na. And now plus plus of a. Pre na posta. Pre means now answer is what? 32,768. 32,768 is what guys? Unsigned integer or long integer? Unsigned integer or long integer? Shit. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, please. Okay. Yesterday, very clearly, I said that up to 32,767, it is integer. Greater than 32,767, it is long integer. That's why I said practical example also I have given. It is long integer by default. Long integer take how many bytes? 4 bytes now. That's why I have given u also. After 32,768, u. When is u is given, what happened? It is converted into unsigned, then it takes. Now u is given or not given? Then it is what? Unsigned or long integer? Anybody? Long or unsigned? A long integer take how many bytes? 4 bytes. That's why first answer 4, and a value becomes what? A value becomes what? 32,760. Yes, yes, 100% wrong answers. 100% wrong answer. It is a special example. Okay, it is special example. See that answer is 2, and a value still. A value still same number na? Huh? Yes or no? Now listen. Most important rule I'm going to reveal. Okay. The most important rule in size of operator is what? In size of expressions not executed. Remember. Everybody remember this point. In size of operator, the expressions not executed. Means plus plus a not working. It is taking only the size. Size of operator purpose what? Size of operator purpose is what? Getting the size only. Getting the point understood? It is giving the size only. it never performs operations. It never performs operate. Suppose still you are having doubt. Okay, nothing to worry. Means now tell me guys, plus plus say happening or not happening. Based on my explanation, plus plus say taken or not taken. Means it is taking only the A value right now. 32,760 and 32,767 is what? Integer na. That's how many bytes it is showing. And plus plus not happen na. That's a still a value. 32,760. Okay, no problem. Suppose you are having doubt. Suppose you are having doubt. Now watch it guys. I am giving like this. Printf. Everybody observe it. Percentage D slash n comma size of direct answer. A value equal to 100. I think meaning very clear. A equal to 100 na. Equal ka meaning kya hai? Assign. Equal meaning is. And now if it is working, A value should be what? 100 na? Watch it. 1 minute everybody. Take a look on this. Okay. Now if it is working, A value should be 100. But watch it. Still old value coming. 32,760. Now tell me. Equal operator or assignment operator. Working or not working? I need a clarity. Working or not working? That means inside the size of operator. Expressions. Executed or not executed? Give me answer. I think very clear. That's why still answer is this one. Okay, na guys? Everybody? Okay. Next. Like this program is working. And now tell me guys, maybe the answer. For example, here percentage D. Okay. This time size of 1 comma 1.2. And next 1.2 comma 1. Anybody? Maybe this time answer. Come on. I am waiting for your answers. Anybody? Okay. Answer 8 comma 2. Answer is 8 and 2. Nobody is there, huh? And nobody following the programs. Nobody doing the examples. It is the problem. Yesterday, our topic is brackets and comma operator. Yes or no? Yesterday, our discussion is on brackets and comma operator. No? Tell me, when comma operator is used, rightmost is the answer I said. It is basics important. It is the importance of basics. Each one related, guys. Yesterday we have discussed, na? 1 minute, tell me. Yesterday, it is our example. Very clearly I have mentioned. A equal to, in bracket 10 comma 20 comma 30. Answer kya hai? Why? Why 30? Huh? Why the 30 I am asking? Because of comma. When comma is there, left to right. Left to rightmost is which one? Come on. Now tell me. In this example. Okay. Rightmost is which one? 1.2 kya? 1.2 kya hai? Long float. Double. Double take how many bytes? 8 bytes. And now second example. Rightmost is what? 1. 1 is what? Integer take how many bytes? It is, guys, technical questions. You have to implement like that. Then only you can crack the interview. Understood? Directly they're not asking the questions. They're giving the questions like this. You have to implement what you have learned. At least tell me, comma discussed, bracket discussed, then you have to implement size of. Actually, comma is separate. Comma is separate. Now our topic is what? Size of operator. But both are. Operators are not. But they are mixing or not. Because of technical question. It is a technique. You have to implement the technique now, which is logic. It is, guys, programmer need. Understood? That's why technical. Remember, in every interview, first round is technical round. Whatever the interview you are facing, first round is technical round only. When it is completed, then only they are calling for second round. Understood? At least this point understood? Huh? How it is working, at least understood? Right. Okay, guys. Finally, tell me this one answer maybe. Size of. That's all. Now tell me output. Yes. Come on, guys. This time answer. Error. Because of where is the expression? किसका साइज फाइंड आउट करना, मेरा और तेरा? ब्रैकेट में कोई है? हाँ, ब्रैकेट में कोई है तो इसका साइज लाएगा. हाँ, ब्रैकेट में कोई है? हाँ, then which size is coming, guys? Huh? Answer is error, because of there is no expression in size of operator. See that what it is saying? Expression syntax error. Very clearly saying or not? Means expression missing. Expression. Right. I think everyone this one understood. This one everyone understood or not? Right. And now watch it, guys. We are moving to another operator. Now it is the end of size of operator examples. And now next operator is what? Okay. That is nothing but what they are? Yes. Address operator, guys. Okay. Now we are discussing about address operators. Okay. Listen. Here, how the address is going to be. Okay. Listen, everybody. First operator is ampersand. Ampersand means address of a variable or memory. Remember, every variable or memory containing a address. And to find out that address, we are using which operator? And second one, star. Okay. Actually, second, which is pointer, stores address of a variable or memory. It is interesting thing. Ampersand is giving address of the variable or memory. Na? That variable address stored by the pointer. That variable address stored by the point. Okay. Now watch it. Everybody just watch it. What it means when practical example conducted, you can understood. Okay. Now watch it 1 minute. Can I say it is a variable? Can I say A is a variable? Yes. What type of variable? Integer variable, no? When it is created, particular address also allocated for A. Then how to get that address? Okay. Simple. A value equal to percentage D comma A. You know that A value very clear. 100 visible value. See that A value 100 or not. Next watch it, guys. Printf. Okay. A, what it is? Address, guys. Now I am giving a address. Percentage U. Now you are getting a doubt. Sir, why you are using U? Because of address always unsigned integer. That is, remember, you know that unsigned means what? Positive. Unsigned means positive. Address always positive. Logic very simple. Okay, everybody knows. For example, somebody is going to write a letter like this. Okay, Kishore sir, Amirpet, Hyderabad. Tell me the letter coming or not coming? The letter reached or not reached? I am asking. Reached. Huh? Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Just assume it is envelope, not email. Okay, na? Everybody, that symbol visible means you are thinking it is the mail, not the mail. Envelope, cover. Understood? And now what I have written here, Kishore sir, Amirpet, Hyderabad. For example, just example only. Okay. Now the postman entered into where, guys? First the postman goes to where? हैदराबाद. हाँ, हैदराबाद में कहा जाएगा? अमीरपेट में जाएगा. अमीरपेट का इतना प्लेस है क्या? अमीरपेट, हाँ, अमीरपेट का स्मॉल प्लेस, हाँ, ओके. अमीरपेट में एंटर किया and he is going to do every door and he is going to knock the door and he is asking, you are Kishore, you are Kishore, you are Kishore. And this guy watched the cover is looking good and he said, yeah, I'm Kishore. Now the cover delivered or not? But actually he is the Kishore. And the postman is going to every door or not? Say yes or no? Why? Because of Kishore sir means in entire Hyderabad, how many Kishores are there? So many Kishores. Yes or no? Now watch it, guys. This time the person is going to write like this. There is no Kishore. There is no Kishore here. And he is going to put like this. Door number 1-2-3 by A. Now tell me, the postman going to every door? He is going to every door, I am asking. Directly he goes to door number and he is not going to even call the persons. Going to drop or not? He is going to drop at the door or not? And now the door is going to read that letter. He have given the letter to door na. Now the door is going to read. No, इसके अंदर मैं हूं ना. Door के अंदर कौन है? Kishore sir or not? And now tell me, it reached the correct destination? Say yes or no? And now which one is easy? First or second? First one or second one? That means every person need a address and generally we are calling door number. The door number is address or not, guys? Tell me, in entire Hyderabad with that door number, how many houses? Only. But how many Kishores? Now tell me, Kishore important or Kishore door number important? Kishore. Now variable important or variable address? That's why ampersand. That's why ampersand meaning address of the variable. Ampersand meaning. Now watch it. Here address of the variable and tell me your anybody's address negative number. You are having so many students now. Anybody address is negative number, I am asking. My door number -1 -2 by -5. It is there. That means door number positive or negative. And positive integers are called what? Unsigned or not? That's why percentage U. Address always percentage U. I think very clear. Now watch it, guys. It is giving address around 65,000 or not. See that? 60. And now you are getting again doubt. Sir, okay, 65,500. It can display 1, 2, 3, 4. Na? Generally. Okay? Because of stack size 64 kilobytes. RAM, in RAM memory divided into 64 KB, 64 KB, 64 KB. 64 KB means 65,536 bytes. Okay, later we are discussing when memory management topic occurred. Okay, remember generally address is okay in this area 65,000 range. Why? Because means stack size 64 kilobytes. Okay, 64 kilobytes means 65,536 bytes. Understood? That's why the address also in 65,000 range for local variables. When it is global variable, different. When dynamic memory, different. Okay, so many things are there. Later we are going to depth. Okay. Now tell me, using ampersand, what we can find out? Address or not? Is it clear? Now I want to store that address. I want to store that address, guys. Now see that I am declaring a pointer. It is called pointer. It is called what? How to identify it is a pointer? Star symbol, guys. How to identify it is star. Whenever the variable declared with a star symbol, guaranteed it is a point. Guaranteed it is a. I think everybody clear? And pointer purpose is storing address of another variable. Pointer purpose, storing address of. And now can I write like this then? P equal to address of A. Meaning very clear. Meaning is what? A address stored in. P na? Yes. See that correctly. I'm going to. Okay. P stored value equal to percentage U comma P. If my explanation is correct, A address, P value, both are same. If my explanation is correct, A address and P value, both are. Because of P storing A address. See that correct or not? Very clear? Actually 65,500 is A address, the same thing stored in. Pointer or not? Now tell me, based on this, pointer stores what? Pointer stores what? Address or not? Pointer always keeps the address or not? Small doubt. Small doubt. Okay. Why we have to store the address? We have to store the value means because of we are using values. In our program, we are storing the values now. That's why we need the values. Then why we have to store the address? Okay. Simple thing. Now watch it. Now watch it, guys. Here I am going to enter like this. Everybody observe it. Here I am going to enter like this. For example, Kishore. Okay, guys. Kishore. Now care of Naresh IT. Tell me, guys. The postman coming to Kishore, Naresh IT first. I need a clarity, everyone. The postman coming to Kishore, Naresh IT first. Now in Naresh IT, they are inquiring Kishore. Now the letter reached me. Now the letter reached me or not? Now can I say care of is nothing but Kishore address? Care of is nothing but Kishore address. Give me, guys. Means Naresh IT is storing. Kishore na? Naresh IT is storing the. That means care of is pointer, guys. Care of is the and Kishore is the variable. In our example, A is the Kishore and care of Naresh IT is the pointer P. Pointer. That's why easy to reach the. Easy to reach the Kishore or not? That's why we are using that pointer concept. That's why we are using pointer concept. Okay? Everybody, I think clear? Yes. Now it is how to find the address and variable value. I think everybody very clear now. And one more thing. Okay. Monday, don't raise a question. Sir, in your system, it is showing 65,500. In my system, it is showing something else. Okay. Kishore is not going to manage the memory. Memory not under control of Kishore. तेरे system में अलग आएगा, मेरा system पे अलग आएगा. Because of based on usage, memory going to change or not? Point understood? Okay, you have to observe only one thing. These two values are same or not same? You have to observe. Understood? These two values should be same, but they are of any value. They are of any, but they should be. Point understood? Tell me, based on this example, variable stores what? Variable store. Shit. Generally, variable stores value. Variables are used to store the, and pointers are used to store the variable address. Now there is a clarity. Variables are used to store the values, and pointers are used to store the. There is a practical clarity. Everybody. Now it is how to store the address of a variable, and it is the output of the program. Now both are called address operators, and actually so many things are okay. Later we are discussing that. And now it is address operator, guys. Another most important operator, that is nothing but bitwise operators. What we are having? Bitwise operators. But Monday I am going to start. It is not a simple topic. It is not a simple topic. We are having 6 bitwise operators, rules and regulations. Today, January 1st, enjoy kar rahe na? Not so many people. Yesterday, nearly 68 members are there. 64, 68 members are there. Today, see that? Party, निशा अभी तक चल रहा है. हाँ? Yes. हाँ, yes, निशा में है. हाँ? हाँ, that's why. हाँ? चलने दो. Monday, I'm going to start this because of their interview questions again. Okay, guys? Anyway, once again, Happy New Year. Okay, thank you all, guys. Okay, yes. See you on Monday. Until that, take care and bye bye. Happy Sunday.